Is your PS4 refusing to see your external hard drive? It is one of the most frustrating things that can happen mid-game. You have all your games on there, and now, everything is just gone. But do not panic just yet. We can fix this. I am going to show you exactly how to fix this issue yourself at home. After watching this video, you will be back to gaming. Before we start, if you face any difficulty, please comment below. I will personally reply to your comment within 1 hour. Also, please like and share this video and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more proven tech solutions. Let us dive in. Solution number 1. Check your physical connections. Unplug the hard drive, blow out any dust from the port, then plug it back in firmly. If that does not work, try the other USB port on your console. Sometimes one port can fail while the other works perfectly. Solution number 2. Direct connection. The PS4 requires external drives to be plugged directly into the console ports. Avoid using hubs. Remember, your drive must be USB 3.0 or newer, and it must have a minimum capacity of 250 gigabytes. Solution number 3. Update your system software. Go to Settings, then go to System Software Update. Ensure you are on the latest version. Solution number 4. Format as extended storage. Your drive might be recognized but not initialized. This is a common fix. Go to Settings, then go to Devices. Select USB storage devices, then select your drive and choose Format as extended storage. Follow the on-screen prompts. This step fixes almost all recognition errors caused by file system conflicts. This will erase data. Solution number 5. Rebuild your database. Turn off your PS4 completely. Hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. Your console will enter safe mode. Connect your controller with a wire, then select option 5, Rebuild Database. This will not delete your data. Solution number 6. Check the drive on a PC. If your PS4 still does not see it, plug the drive into a computer to check for errors. If your PC sees it, format it to XFAT or FAT32, then plug it back into the PS4 to see if it is recognized. A quick pro tip. Cheap USB cables often fail. Always use the original cable or a high-quality certified replacement for best results. One of these steps will almost certainly solve your problem. You have got this. Your gaming library is just a few clicks away. I hope this helped. Do not forget to subscribe to Tech Vibes for more fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.